Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Make with Bella. Today we are going to make some crunchy fried dumplings, also known as Pinkaso. This can be served with Hausa Koko or as snacks. We are going to start by crushing some onions and salt together. I decided to mix mine with the onion rather than the flour. In a bowl, mix a cup of flour and a teaspoon of yeast together. And then start adding your water until you get a sticky, thick paste. That is the texture we need for the Pinkaso. Now we are going to add the crushed onion and salt to the paste and then mix all together. And then cover it with a clean or a napkin for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes later, it is time to fry our Pinkaso. As you can see, I scoop with my hands and then create a hole with my thumb before dropping it into the oil. I am not a professional. I'm really not good with it, so bear with me. 3 minutes later, it is time to turn for the other side to also fry until it is golden brown. The first batch of the Pinkaso is ready. Now let's look at how I did it again with the second batch. Scoop, create a hole and then drop it in the oil. Scoop, create a hole, drop it in the oil. And then don't forget to dip your hands in water before scooping the paste, or else it's going to stick to your hands, creating a mess. Also, you are going to find it difficult to drop the paste in the oil. Our crunchy Pinkaso is ready to be served. You can sprinkle some sugar on top like I always do, giving it a sweet and crunchy taste. This Pinkaso is light, crunchy and very delicious. Trust me, it can be served with Hausa Koko as breakfast or as snacks. I bet you to try your hands on the recipe. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and then comment. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye.